This is the best digger that money can buy.
Today is really the first day something is happening at the house since we bought it. Now we're going to find out what lies beneath, what the foundations are like. That looks like a lot of dirt to me. This house is built on a field.
Give me the bad news, Clement.
What?
Is it bad news?
No bad news.
No bad news.
You've got the foundation in this house.
There's a foundation.
Yes.
So we go from the window down beneath the floor. Look at that. That is a big ass stone. And beneath that, there's another big stone. Yeah, this is good.